Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be replacing the wiper blades on my Mercedes C280. Before we get started, make sure you check out our new store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. So I got these Bosch AeroTwin A933S. These go on my C280. I picked these up off of Amazon. I will put a link down in the description below in case you need to get these yourself. But I do need to replace my wiper blades on my 2007 Mercedes-Benz C280. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm actually doing a voiceover because it was pretty windy the day that I did it. But you really just need a flat tip screwdriver, and that's the only tool that you're going to need. And so you're going to push that little tab in, and then you do need to squeeze on the sides and then pull this out. This was not actually that easy to film because I'm holding a screwdriver and the camera with one hand, and I'm trying to squeeze the little tabs in with my other hand. But it is something you just need to pull out. It's just going to take a minute here to get that off. And then it slides off, and then you can see there's like a little metal rod in there that holds the wiper blade to the arm. And you just need to give it a little twist and a little pull, and then that comes off of the arm. And you'll hear it click when it comes off. And then you can get rid of the old wiper blade. And the new blade. And then slide that open on the new blade. And then click it in place. And that side is done. Now we'll go ahead and do the other side. Exact same process. Use the flat tip screwdriver to push that little tab in, and then squeeze those tabs, or squeeze the plastic in on the sides there, and then pull that. And like I said, not so easy to do with the camera, but there you go. Pull that apart and click that off of the arm. And then open that up on the new blade. And then attach it to the arm and close that little attachment thing there. And it just slides on the wiper blade. Alright, and then you're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.